So hello and welcome back to another video. For today's video I have a complex function. You can see that because of the I, and we are going to solve this function for c. So we can start right into it. I would start with factor out a c squared in this term. So we have c squared times 2 plus I plus, we can put it in brackets, 8 plus 4i equals 0. So we are trying to isolate the c square. So we subtract 8 plus 4i on both sides. And in the next step we can divide by 2 plus I. So we have c squared equals minus 8 plus 4i over 2 plus I. So now we are trying to get a non-imaginary, I don't know what this part is called in English here. Yeah, but we're trying to make it that this part here is non-imaginary. So, oops. So we make the minus 8 plus 4i. And to make this here not non-imaginary, we can just make this times 2 minus I. And if we do it in the on the lower part, we have to do it on the upper part too. 2 minus I. And maybe this is looks familiar here. So this is this equals to minus 8 plus 4i times 2 minus I. And here we can use this a squared minus b squared in this case here. So we have 2 squared minus I squared, and I squared is by definition minus 1. So we have 2 squared is 4 minus 1 equals 5. So we have a 5 here. Now we can simplify the upper part. So this gives us the negative in front. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times I is minus 8i. Then we have 4i times 2, which gives us plus 8i. And on minus 4i minus 1i gives us minus 4i squared. So now we can simplify it a little bit more. This still gives us 5. This cancels out. And we have negative 16. This is by definition minus 1. So minus 4 times minus 1 equals 4 plus 4. C squared is like equals 16 plus 4 equals 20 minus 20, so minus 20 divided by 5, which gives us c squared equals to negative 4. And now we have to take the root. C equals 2. So we can break this up into parts. The square root of negative 1 times plus or minus the square root of 4. C equals the square root of negative 1 is by definition I. So we have C1 equals I times the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2i. And the second solution is, here we have the I and negative 2. So we have negative 2i. So these are the two solutions, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something, and see you next time.